Going over Palantir stock here, currently at $99.76. We're down about 11% today. This is what I've been saying the last couple of videos, that we would see a dip down between 100 to about 85. This is a gap fill that I'm looking for, right? So this test down below 100 was pretty normal in my opinion. I'm even looking for that 50 EMA to potentially be tested. That would also fulfill the gap fill that you see here between 85 and 100. In my opinion, this was pretty obvious, but of course, news like yesterday, you can really expect, right? But in terms of technical analysis, this has been way above the 50 EMA. I'm looking for that retracement back down to the 50 EMA. I'm not trying to scare anybody. If you are long-term in Palantir, you should be fine in my opinion. That's not financial advice, but this test down to the 50 EMA could provide as a dip opportunity, especially for those that have either missed the opportunity or are looking to add more for a long-term portfolio, right? So me personally, I would look to add between 85 and 100. Again, that's not financial advice. That's just my personal opinion. I think 85 to 100 is a good entry for Palantir to start with. Worst case scenario, not saying this is going to happen, but if there is a dip down to the 100 EMA, that's right around $72, okay? I think 50 EMA is going to be treated as a pretty nice support, so 85 could be a potential bottom here. That's where I'll look to add into Palantir. And then in a reversal long term, I am going to be looking for 125, 140, 155. You can see 125.41 here hit my prediction. My prediction here being 125.53. So we're just about 12 cents off there. But really cool to see how we tested the 125 and then just broke back down. Okay, so gap fill between 85 and 100 I think is mandatory before we see a move back up towards the top side. And then yes, I think within this year, 140 is going to be tested. I think 155 would be the most bullish case scenario. That's just my opinion, and I'm not too worried in terms of long-term for Palantir stock. I think just in the short term, watch for that pullback towards the 50 EMA like I said. If you want to join our Discord, feel free to join our Discord. It's free to join. There's over 32,000 members. Link for that is down below in the description of the video, okay? With that being said, if you're looking for our live entries and exits, like here, we called out Palantir back down when it was below $25. We had this blue box as a loading zone. We announced this on the Discord. If you are looking for live entries like this and then live exits, you can join the Patreon for 90% off. It's a permanent discount because we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary with Bullish Raid. I hope you could join us if that's something you're interested in, especially if you are a new or experienced investor. If you're experienced, you can come on in, share your knowledge, or if you're new, feel free to come on in and ask any questions you might have. The community is filled with really beautiful, welcoming, and friendly members. All right, so again, highly recommend joining if you haven't already. Other than that, if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe if you want to support the channel, and turn on notifications for our next Palantir video. I will be making more updates on Palantir on a daily and weekly basis, especially now that we are trending down towards what I was expecting, that gap fill between 85 and 100. Again, if you don't believe me, feel free to check out our previous videos. Highly recommend watching the prior Palantir videos. It was right around 120, 125. Within those ranges, I was even saying watch out for this potential pullback towards 85 to 100. This gap fill I think is mandatory before a reversal, okay? So long term, you'll be fine. Short term, in my opinion, I think 85 to 100. Watch for that gap fill, okay? Thanks for watching, you guys.